Leave me
alone.
alone.
Yeah.
He doesn't like his hair messed with. Look at him. He doesn't like his hair messed with. Look.
You should see it when when it's washed. It gets
What
curly.
is this? Huh? Ruby, what is this I got in my hand? Huh? Have you guys used his little jacket yet?
No, not yet. It's too
Well,
big
now
for
it's
him right now.
starting to get nice and warm.
Yeah, it's
out.
too big for him.
It's cute though.
Oh, that outfit you guys got is...
I love how
You like that?
people.
Yeah, they had one with 2 elephants on it. It was so adorable. I wanted to get it, but we found that one instead. And I love the little pockets in the back.
Yeah, it's cute.
He's got pockets for a wallet.
Yeah. Get him a little wallet.
That's right.
Isn't he adorable? We made a cute baby, huh?
He's a baby.
Down.
All babies are cute to me.
No.
No,
all babies.
He pops them.
Never
All
mind.
babies are cute to me.
Just...
What about Jackson?
My grandkids.
That's what I was
Now
gonna
my
say.
grandkids are cuter than other babies.
My sister's
That's
baby
right.
looks like a monkey.
Yeah.
Because
Her sister's
Yeah.
my,
Jackson looks
my
like a monkey.
twins were just adorable, and their little brothers. And now there's you. What am I going to do with you, huh? I stick you in my pocket. Can I stick you in my pocket? Huh? Look at all that
like a little
red hair.
Mm-hmm.
It's adorable.
He does not like his hair messed with. He's just like his dad. You're going to shave his head too, ain't you? Where are you going?
He's got no hair on his knees either.
I need to go.
Well, wonder what he's been doing. There's a reason for that. Oh, gosh, she's so tired. Nana's giving kisses. Here we go. Here we go. Get ready. Oh, well, no.
What?
You know why kids hate that? It's because when you do it, you always make that num 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 num, and it's right in their ear.
Oh.
And they hate that. But Grandma's got specialties. Ain't that right?